Hi guys, it is me Umar and welcome you all into my channel Tubers Vidsome. So in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to install brushes into your Adobe Photoshop CC. So let's get into it. So first of all, I'll open up my computer because I am searching for the brushes. So maybe you have put the brushes into a different location, so you will go there. So let's go to the location where the brushes are actually uh, so here's my brush. I'll actually zip the folder and I'll extract it to the desktop. So it's actually one of the WinRAR files. That's why I am zipping them. And the brush is actually known as the free dust Photoshop brush. Okay, that's why I have chosen this one. I'll go to computer again. I'll here open the location where I have installed my Photoshop. So you'll find the Photoshop. If you have installed it into C drive, you will find it into the program files. Let's go there and open up the Adobe folder. Once you have come here, you will first search for the presets folder. It's right here. You'll open the presets folder and come to the brushes. It's right here. So drag the document, drag the brushes and drop them into the location. Okay, replace files in the destination and hit continue. Once this process is done, I'll go to the Adobe Photoshop. I have already opened up these software, and I will straight away go and I'll choose the brush icon. Okay, once this is selected, I'll come here and I'll come here. I'll search for the load brushes option. If it's not here, it will definitely be here. Yeah, I will come here to the load brushes and I'll go to wherever I have put the brush in the folder. I'll go there. I'll open up the program and Adobe again. Presets. That's right here. And I'll search for the brushes. And it's right here, free dust Photoshop brush bar. I'll load it and it's done. So guys, it's that simple. Now you can actually use the brush that you have installed. Thank you so much for watching and keep supporting me. And if you haven't still subscribed me on YouTube, make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like the video, share it if you agree, and thank you so much. I'll see you again.